Welcome my students. Now we will go through the formation of image by lens. Our first part is formation of image by convex lens. Depending upon the position of lens and the object, different types of images are formed. Keep in mind that convex lens can form both types of images, real image and virtual image. But concave lens can form only the virtual images. And convex lens has got the capacity of formation of real and virtual image as well as magnified and diminished image. But in this case, the capacity of concave lens is limited. It can form only virtual image which is diminished. Now we will go through the formation of image by convex lens. If the object is at an infinite distance, say the sun, coming from the sun, the rays of light, these are the rays of light coming from the sun. These are parallel beam of light. They, after passing through the lens, converge on focus and a point image is formed. So in this case, the image will be point image. So when the object is at infinity, the image will be a point image. In this case, parallel beam of light coming from an infinite distance have converged on F, that is focus, so the image will be on focus. The position of image will be on focus. So in a nutshell, we can say if the object is at infinity, object is placed at infinity, image on focus. It is a point image. So this image is real image as the rays of light has converged at a point. Now when the object, this is first case, now the second case. Now the object is at a point beyond the center of curvature, that is beyond 2f. You know, the center of curvature is at a point whose distance is double the focal length. This is f and this is 2f. This 2f is actually, it is the center of curvature. C. And the object is beyond C, that is beyond center of curvature. Now a ray of light coming from this object, it is parallel to the visible axis and passes through the lens, and another light coming from that HP passes through O optical center without making any deviation. These two rays of light has converged at a point P. So these rays, this is one ray and this is another ray. These two rays have converged at P. So the image of P is at P dash, sorry, not P, P dash is formed, and in the same way, total image of PQ will be formed at P dash Q dash. So P dash Q dash, P dash Q dash is the image of the object PQ. Now what is the nature of image? You see, as the rays of light converge at a point and then image is formed, so the image is real image. So image is real and it is smaller than the object, that is diminished, and always real images are inverted. You see PQ and here P dash Q dash, this is inverted. And position of image, it is between F and 2F, that is between focus and center of curvature. Between F and 2F. Focus and COC, center of curvature. So if the object is placed at a point beyond 2F, that is beyond center of curvature, then the image will be real, and real means inverted. It is diminished in size, and the position of image between F and 2F, that is between focus and center of curvature. So if distance, object distance is increased, then image distance will be decreased. Here we see. Now our third case. Move forward on 2F. The object has been placed on 2F, and you know 2F, that is double the focal length. It is center of curvature. Center of curvature is, I am again saying, placed at a point double the focal length. So the object is on center of curvature or 2F. It is PQ object. Now in the same manner, you always follow that a ray of light, always during formation of image, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, always you take this ray of light P to say this is N, Pn. And Pn now, after getting refraction by the lens, it is moving on the way Np dash. And another ray, Po, it is passing through O. O is the optical center, and optical center is of a thin convex lens, is a fixed point on the principal axis of the lens inside the lens, after passing through which a ray of light passes undeviated. Without making any deviation, it converges at P dash. So the two rays converge at P dash, and in the same manner, all the large number of rays are coming from the object PQ, and they will converge. So we will get P dash Q dash is the image in the same manner as previous formed. This P dash Q dash is the real image, inverted image. Real means always inverted, keep in your mind. And it is on 2F, same in size. Now we write image real, always real inverted, and virtual erect. Inverted, same in size, position on 2F, that is on center of curvature. COC means center of curvature. Now we will go through the fourth case. When the object is placed between focus and center of curvature, that is F and 2F, the formation of image by a convex lens. Similarly, a beam of light parallel to the principal axis, this is Pn, and after getting refraction, it at P dash, and a ray of light Po passing through the optical center, converge at a point P dash. The two rays are converged at a point P dash. And now in the same way all rays are converged and P dash Q dash is the image formed by the convex lens. So the image is P dash Q dash. It is real, inverted, and magnified in size. Position of the image beyond 2f. That is beyond center of curvature. So when the object is nearer to the lens, then the image will be at a distance or distance from the lens, and nearer the object at a distance will be the image, and the size of image will be greater. So this is the fifth case. And now next case. Now this case, the object is very near to the lens, it is on focus. When the object is at focus, object is PQ, then a ray of light PN parallel to the principal axis is incident on the lens, and after getting reflection it is going through the path NF, and another ray passes through the optical center. You see it is PM is parallel to NF. These two rays will be parallel always, and we can imagine that they will converge at infinity. So the image will be at infinity and they will converge at infinity, so they will form a real image. Image will be real. Real means inverted, and as it is at infinity, so it will be extraordinarily large. Extraordinarily large and position at infinity. So we will not be able to see the image, because as it is at infinity we will not see a point at an infinite distance. This is real image, inverted image, extraordinarily large and at infinity. Next case. Now you see that the object is continuously moving forward towards the lens. Now the object is placed between focus and optical center of the convex lens. You see PQ is the object here, and it is placed between the optical center and the focus of the convex lens. Now from the point P, a ray is incident on the lens, and after diffraction it goes towards the line NF, and another ray PO passes through the optical center O. Now these two rays will never meet at a point, but it appears that this ray is coming from point P dash, and this ray PN also is coming from P dash. So it appears that these rays are coming from the point P dash. So P dash is the virtual image of the point P, and similarly Q dash is the virtual image of the point Q, and in this manner a total image P dash Q dash will be formed for the object PQ. So PQ image P dash Q dash is virtual image. It is virtual, and virtual means erect, and it is magnified. You see that it is much greater than the object PQ in length, so it is magnified, and position of image beyond the object. So a magnified, virtual and erect image is formed from a convex lens when the object is placed between optical center and focus of the lens. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.